Hey everybody, if you listen to my motto in my intro video, you will know that I'm really excited to be able to teach people not just on how to become a realtor, but be able to make money in real estate in general. And so this is a video on 4 ways to make money, and I want to be able to share this with you so that you guys will be able to see all the opportunities that you have as a realtor, either by getting into real estate, investing yourself, or by teaching your clients how to make money with real estate. So that's why I wanted to share this awesome PowerPoint video presentation with you. It's highlights from Robert Kiyosaki from all of his books on Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or Cash Flow Quadrant, etc. And so I really hope that you guys will understand that this will help you in becoming a very successful multimillionaire agent. If you have any questions, put it in the Facebook group, and let's go ahead and get started. 4 Ways to Make Money by Robert Kiyosaki. Number 1, business. So always invest in a business or create a business. If you invest in a business, then it needs to be a company that has several employees, and then that way you're able to make a bigger return on your investment. Or you can buy a struggling business and then find ways to improve it and then resell it once those improvements have taken place. So it's kind of like flipping a house, but you're flipping a business to make it better and worth more money. Second is real estate. Invest in real estate because it is less riskier than stocks, and it will give you an opportunity to have a passive or cash flow income. Third is stocks. Stocks is good if you know how to do it and if you time it right. Of course, buy low and sell high, and have a person who has a good reputation with doing stocks and who doesn't take risky investments. Fourth is commodities. Commodities include oil, gold and silver, and guns and bullets. So these are things that you can use to be able to sell for more, because all these things are necessary for people to live and survive. So thank you for watching. Follow me on social media, and I will see you on the next video.